what's up? Today I decided I wanted to go biking and fishing along the river. Probably not gonna be much because it's low tide, low season, and it's winter. But this area that I normally come to, usually it's full of water, is now dry and empty. Check it. Normally you can't walk down here, but because it's middle of winter and low tide, there's no water and I can walk all the way down here. This is where the fish normally are. You see in the summer, springtime. And in the distance out there, you can see two swans. I want to see if I can sneak up on them, so I gotta be quiet now. Alright, so a bit unexpectedly, the entire river is kind of low, so I decided instead to make my way out to the beach. Tide's low as well, but the waves are high, and there's surfers. Check it out. You might not be able to see it, it's also really windy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a whole bunch over on that side. They got some pretty big waves up here. I don't think I'm going fishing today, at least not out here. I'm just gonna enjoy the beach, walk around a bit, barefoot. Because you know, I like to live life on edge. Anyway, just gonna enjoy my day. Water's not as bad as I thought. It's cold. Ain't gonna lie. Oh, that was fun. The water's cold. It's windy actually. So running down the beach, it's windy. I'm really enjoying myself today. I found this cool tree washed up on the beach. Check that out. Alright, let's keep going. What else we gotta find? Probably one of the funnest just beach days I've had in a while. Not really doing much. Just enjoying the ocean, the beach side, the Pacific Ocean specifically. That's the side of the country I live on.